All right, all right, all right. Good morning, my free folk. Hey, once we get started, or before we get started, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I appreciate all that. Hit me up at PayPal. Help me build this channel. Take care of some of that free folk. Get them motivated. Get them editing, so we can get some trading videos out there. And I'm on Twitter, trading underscore off. So it's at trading underscore off. And Twitter has an option too that you could tip your host. You could throw me some cryptocurrency or some US dollars. Hey, I'll take pesos, man. Anything to get this channel up and running. Try to get us over that 50,000 subscriber mark and get some good content out there. Also, please leave some comments, man. I'll even take the bad ones. I know I've made it once I got a few trolls. So leave a few comments and let me know what you want to see, what you want to hear, what I could do for you. Any input is greatly appreciated. If you don't have the dineros to share, then a little opinion and comment goes a long way. And if you trade with me on Twitter, I do pretty well. You'll do pretty well. I try to give you advance notice of what I'm going to take and what my targets are. And if you find that suitable for you, you can participate. And if you make a few bucks with me, tip your host, baby. All right, let's just take a quick look at what's going on today. So this looks like, I know there's a lot of stuff on my charts, but you can see the wick to the downside and the wick to the upside. And this all looks very indecisive to me. And, you know, we're just consolidating in here, making this double pattern. The momentum is moving up, which I like that very much. The low is 484. We're opening up, well, right now I think we're looking at 10 points below. I really haven't looked at the futures recently. Oops, I just got a text. I think the free folk are yelling at me because I'm running late on this. Yeah, we're opening up about down 13. So we'll be in the 480s. 484 is the low of today. So we'll watch that for a break of the low of today. So that would be down 24. We're close. We're close. But you know what? I'm staying neutral until we break the low of 451. And then I'm going to turn a little bearish. And to tell you the truth, man, I'm looking for that 43, 46 target. And that looks pretty good. Actually, it seems like it's getting a little aggressive. I think 43.64 is probably more likely our target. And if you looked at yesterday's videos, you'll understand exactly why. So that's what we're looking at, son. Let's just take a quick look at some information from last week or for next week as far as reports and what we got to look at coming into next week, which I'll probably do this tonight too, but hey, I got your ear, right? So Monday's a quiet day. Tuesday, retail sales. You know what? I don't see anything really market. Oh, FOMC minutes. There you go. So, I mean, in theory, next week should be a quiet week until the minutes. Every time I say that, man, we get fucking plastered. And we get hammered. So, yeah, you know, based on the past few weeks, I think this will be enough to move us down to the 364 range. And look, man, I think that's healthy. I want to see that. I want to see that flush out. That's a higher low. We're not going to make the low of the 222, the 42.22. If we don't make that low and we bounce off of that 364, I think we're set up for a nice move up into spring. And then in March, I believe we have another well, yeah, we definitely have the FOMC meeting. Probably see that 25 basis points. I doubt we're going to see the 50 basis points, but you'll probably see a lot of volatility going into that. And then next Thursday, building permits. That's good. I mean, I think the FOMC meeting is going to be the big catalyst. Existing sales on Friday. So that's it, sons and daughters. So hey, catch me on Twitter. I'll see if I'll run a few trades. It's going to be a beautiful day. So I don't know how motivated I'm going to be to trade, man, because you know I'm looking high in the 60s. And I love me some fun in the sun. So I might be doing that. But check me out on Twitter, man. If you're following me, you'll know if I'm running any trades. I'll let you know. So anyway, remember, when you're trading, be calm and cool. Get a little meditation in. I did it myself. Be at peace when you trade. And good luck trading.